Hello my dear friend, welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Today we bring a new amazing project. Its name is Monkey. In this video I am going to share each and everything about this project, Monkey Meme Coin. Monkey Coin is a cryptocurrency created to unite the community, bring fun, and of course deliver banana profits to those who join our troop. Inspired by the unmistakable energy of monkeys, this coin is more than just a meme, it's a movement. And next guys, we go to this project Monkey Board. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here, Monkey Board page is open. You can talk to Monkey now. You can click here, then you can see this board, and next we back to the home page. And next guys, you can scroll down and see this welcome to monkeymeme.io. Here, cutting-edge AI technologies meets the most fun and irreverent side of the crypto universe. Inspired by the legendary figure of the Blue Monkey, our platform invites you to explore memes, token, and interactive experience that push the boundaries between humor and financial innovation. You can see this video about this project Monkey Meme Coin game. You can check here, and next guys, you can scroll down and see this contract address of this project. Guys, you can see the deck screener. So now this project is not available in deck screener, it's coming soon. And next guys, you can check here why Monkey Meme. AI plus meme coins create and discover exclusive memes powered by the intelligent algorithms capturing the hottest market trends. Engage community, connect with fellow crypto and meme enthusiasts, sharing ideas, tips, and plenty of good laughs. Focus on innovation. We develop tools and products so you can have fun, invest, and join a bold crypto project that stand out. And as you can see this, get ready to part of the revolution where imagination meets technology, generating infinite possibilities. Dive into Monkey Meme and discover a brand new way to experience the crypto world. You can check here, interact with the funny, creative, and engaged community. So guys, you can check here group link we discuss later. And next guys, you can check here how to buy Monkey. So guys, you can see this number one, create a Solana wallet. Download Phantom wallet from the Chrome web store, create your account, and securely back up your private keys. This will be your gateway to storing Monkey coins. Add Sol to your wallet. Buy Sol directly in Phantom by clicking deposit or transfer Sol from another wallet. You will need Sol to purchase Monkey coin. Find the Monkey coin token address. Get the official Monkey coin token address from our official sources and verify it carefully to avoid scams. Swap Sol for Monkey coin. Connect your Phantom wallet to Solana DEX like Radium or Serum, then swap your Sol for Monkey coin. Then guys, you can check your balance. After the transaction is confirmed, you can check your money coin balance in the asset section of your Phantom wallet. So guys, you can scroll down and see this gallery of this project Monkey. Explore memes and tokens that unite humor and financial innovation. You can check here picture of Monkey. You can see this all is the gallery of this project. And next guys, you can check here. I love the experience. The memes and tokens are incredible, bringing both innovation and fun at the same time. You can check here, and next guy, you can see this. So we go to this project roadmap. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. It take time. Then you can see this page is open now. So guys, you can see this roadmap Monkey. Phase 1, initial growth and NFT minting, February to April. Launch of Monkey tokens already available for trading, NFT artwork and concept finalization, defining the collection design and identity, smart contract development, deploying NFTs on the chosen blockchain, community building, expanding Twitter, Discord, and Telegram, strategic partnerships, collaborating with influencers, and Web3 projects. You can check here. Next guy, you can scroll down and see this phase 2 collection launch and airdrop May to July. Official Monkey NFT collection launch, minting opens to the public. Monkey airdrops for holders, rewarding early supporters, exclusive giveaways, special prizes for NFT holders, expanded Monkey listing, adding the tokens to more decks. You can check here details. And next guy, you can see this phase 3 expansion and integration August to October. NFT and token staking, ongoing airdrops and giveaways, Monkey in gaming and metaverse, token burn mechanism. You can check here. Next, you can see this phase 4 consolidation and future growth. November to December, collection, expansion or new NFT, potential second phase, DAO creation for holders, year and giveaway 2023 strategy. You can check here all details. And next we go to this project about. So guys, you can click here and see this about details. The blue little monkey of the Amazon, the legend in the heart of Amazon, western greenery where nature places with mysteries and ancient tales. A singular legend resonates among the native peoples, that of the blue little monkey of Retanba. It is said that in remote times this extraordinary being inhabited the enigmatic lost city of Retanba, a place as old as time itself, shrouded in secrets that defy human comprehension. Guys, you can check here the blue little monkey with fur gleaming like the sky at sunset was far more than an animal. You can check here all about of this project. You can read it carefully, all tale. And next guys, you can join this project on following social media platform and Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. So we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can see this monkey official Twitter page is open. You can follow this. You can check here. I am a monkey. Soon I will be dropping a contract address. You can check here. Next guys, you can see this official Telegram group link. And next guys, you can scroll down. You can see this all posts. You can like and comment this post. And next we back to the home page. And next we go to this project Telegram group chat community. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here monkey Telegram group chat community is open. You can join this group. You can check here 1010 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. And next we back to the home page. And next guys, you can check here. You can contact us. You can see this phone number. You can contact @monkeymeme.io. You can enter your email. Then you can send now. Then you can subscribe for newsletter. So guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update.